In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email sequences in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a sequence, choose who it targets, and automate your follow-ups with confidence. Start by opening Freshsales and heading to Sales Sequences. From the main screen, click the plus icon, choose Email, and then select Create Sales Sequence. This is where all your automated outreach will live. Create your new sequence by clicking Create Sales Sequence, or the same plus button if you see that option. Give your sequence a clear, specific name so you can identify it later, like Onboarding Drip Q1 or Re-engagement Leads. A good name makes it much easier to manage multiple sequences over time. Next, define your audience. Choose whether this sequence should run on leads, contacts, or accounts. Pick the one that matches your goal. You can narrow the list using conditions, like industry, last contacted date, or life cycle stage, or you can apply a saved view you already rely on. If you're using the Freshsales Classic interface, the options will look similar, and saved views are especially handy for consistency. Now decide on the sequence type and timing. Classic sequences run steps in a fixed order on the specific days you set. Smart sequences adapt based on behavior or conditions, which is great when you want to branch based on actions like opens or replies. Set when the sequence should run, including the preferred time and the correct time zone. Align this with your audience's local time if possible to improve engagement. Add your steps to build the series. For email steps, choose the day, pick an email template, and personalize it with merge fields so it feels tailored. You can add conditions, such as sending a different message if there's no reply after a set number of days. Include follow-up or reminder tasks to nudge you to review key accounts, and add call or SMS reminders if those touches are part of your process. Keep spacing between steps reasonable so you stay top of mind without overwhelming recipients. Set your exit criteria to control when a record leaves the sequence. Common exits include when someone replies, when an email bounces, or when all steps are completed. These rules keep your outreach respectful and prevent unnecessary follow-ups once a conversation starts. When everything looks good, click Save. Then Activate, or choose Save and Start to put your sequence into action. That's it. Your automated workflow is live, targeted, and timed to engage the right people at the right moments.